invigorating emotion. The 4C is not at all like whatever else. Brandishing the core of a supercar, it conveys a tangible blast that you should involvement to get it. Exercise and careful control. The 4C has a solitary carbon fiber monocoque case and midway mounted aluminum motor that convey ideal weight appropriation and an unadulterated association with the street. With the additional preferred standpoint of back-wheel drive and close immaculate adjust, you have the delight of better control when turning and expanded grasp amid increasing speed. Stunning architecture. The 4C is intended for the street yet prepared for the track, with a broad utilization of ultra-light materials and improved functionalities that influence it to quick, light-footed and exceptionally responsive. Carbon fiber fascia. To additionally upgrade the race-roused outline of the 4C, the accessible carbon fiber side vents include a distinctly energetic charm. Carbon fiber halo and roof. A forceful position and real game's auto execution are two characterizing attributes of the 4C. Emphasize with the accessible carbon fiber rooftop on the 4C Coupe or the carbon fiber Corona on the 4C Spider. Carbon fiber side mirror. The race-roused carbon fiber side mirrors are smooth in plan and pay reverence to the pleased dashing history of Alfa Romeo. Enthralling elegance. The enticing styling of the 4C will knock some people's socks off and stock hearts. Roused by the 1967 Hippo 33 Stradale, the symmetry of this Italian-composed game's auto is verifiable. Full-scale engineering. The 4C conveys unfaltering usefulness and the unmistakable disposition of an Italian supercar. Particular character. Fitted with the accessible Akrapovic dual-mode titanium exhaust system and two focus-mounted tailpipes encompassed via carbon fiber, this auto knows how to thunder. Inundate yourself. With the accessible Alpine registered premium audio system highlighting two tweeters, two midwoofers, a speaker and a subwoofer, your high-constancy encounter is constantly supported by perfectly clear stable,